right, I ended it.
Yeah!
You guys got 75 for all kinds, and Bin Laden is no longer a threat. By 2014, we have set a timeline. That war will be over. And we are going to use the savings that we get from ending these wars. Half of it will go to justice and justice. The other half will put to work rebuilding America. Go back to the days when you couldn't serve the military just because of who you was. We want to move forward and make sure that elections aren't just about $10 million checks being written by folks who have vested interest in taking the status quo. We want to move forward to make certain we're creating an immigration system that reflects our traditions, a nation of God, and a nation of God. We are at our best when every voice is heard, when everybody has a stake. And that's not just a Democratic tradition. That is an American tradition. That's a tradition started by folks like Benjamin Franklin. That's the essence of our creed. You know, if you look at our history, when we've made progress, we've done it together. That's how this country got built. That's how my grandfather's generation was educated on the GI Bill. That's how we built the Hoover Dam. That's how we sent man to the moon. We believe in individual initiative, in the free market. We believe in entrepreneurs, risk takers, being rewarded. We love folks getting rich. Part of America's success. But we also understand there's some things we do together as a nation. This election is going to be close. Because folks have gone through a tough time. And no matter how many times you tell them, well, we avoided a whole bunch of really bad stuff. If you don't have a job, your house is underwater. If you haven't seen your income go up in a decade, you're still frustrated. You're still concerned about your kids' future. And rightly so. And the other side, they don't have any new ideas. I'm telling you, I want you all to pay attention over the next 5 months and see if they're offering a single thing that they did not try when they were in charge, because you won't see it. It will be the same stuff, the same okey doke. But you know what they do have is they'll have $500 million worth of negative payments.
Right.
And they will tap into and feed into cynicism and a sense of frustration. And they'll try to direct blame. I can't think of anything like that. The thing is, though, what you guys told me in 2008 was when Americans, when citizens decide to come together, when they say it's time to change, when they start talking to their neighbors, their friends, and really started to pay attention in terms of who's saying what, asking themselves, how do we move this country forward? When you decide change needs to happen, guess what? It happens. I have never been more convinced about the strength and dignity of the American people. I've never been more convinced about our prospects for the future, and the reason is because of the future. I travel all across the country. The American people constantly give me hope. They constantly give me cause for optimism. I still believe in you. I told you back in 2008, I wasn't a perfect man, Michelle will tell you that. I'd never be a perfect man. I just say, I don't tell you what I thought, I don't tell you what I said, and I promise you, I'm to wake up every single day thinking about how I can work as hard as I know how to make your lives a little bit better, to make the lives of future generations. And you know what? I kept that thought.